Most people think you need to code or invest to earn with AI, but that's not true. In this video, I'll show you 10 real, passive income streams built entirely with ChatGPT and simple automations. Number 1. Selling AI templates. Create custom ChatGPT workflows for marketers or students, and sell them online. Number 2. Build digital products, like Notion dashboards or prompt packs. Number 3. YouTube automation channels. AI handles your script, voice, and visuals. You only manage uploads. Number 4. Affiliate marketing through AI blogs. Write SEO content at scale using AI and earn commissions. 5. Sell AI-generated designs, books, or art prints. 6. Email automation services for small businesses. 7. AI-powered course creation. 8. Lead generation bots. 9. Social media caption generators. 10. Create and sell your own micro-automation scripts. Each of these can become a long-term income source if you treat it like a system. Set it up once, automate it, and let AI do the heavy lifting.